Hello Internet, Daryl here and welcome to Off the Couch. Today I have brought you guys to the Kowhai Festival in Warkworth in Auckland, New Zealand. There's a lot to see here and do. It seems to be a lot bigger, or at least it appears to be a lot bigger than last year. Yeah, let's bond, let's check it out. So we got all sorts happening here. It sort of starts down here and it goes down the bottom where the band is and everything like that. Got the kiddies having a good time. Lots happening on the street. Got a rock climbing wall over there in the distance if you can see it. Over there. Lots to see and do. Oh, they got a band. I'm a musician and a singer. Let's go and check out the band.
The Lions yellow vest on. They'll be able to tell you where.
I'm actually in the process of learning the drums for my church. It's not as easy as what you think. Oh, I'm following the band. Oops. Right, so there is a lot to see and do. Yeah, now I don't look like I'm following the band, I'll go back on the street. We've got face painting for the kiddies. So I can already see there's quite a collective amount of people here. Just if you want to know, I've started a slow motion channel dedicated to filming people in slow motion. Something that's quite fascinating to watch, really. I'll leave the link for that down below if you're interested. Slow motion people. It's called Taking My Time. All the shops, there's all the people there. Okay, a few people. Free blood pressure checks if you're stressed. Who isn't stressed in this day and age, eh? But happiness is what you make it. Lots of little Trinity chiropractic. So it sort of goes there and then down the back of the shops, I think, as well, where the band is. So we'll dodge them for a minute and then we'll come back round. Or is it all on the street today? Get done for copyright for these drums, but I don't really know until I upload it. they selling here? As you can see, it's a family affair. Look at these guys. You into this sort of stuff? Hey? Tie-dye. How you going, mate? I used to make homemade tie-dye back in the day.
Yeah.
That's a cool colour. How much is that?
They're 90, the adult cities.
That's really awesome. Cool. I don't think she cared I used to make tie-dye. I think she just wanted my money. Fair enough. So. So what they did last year, I don't know if you've watched the video from last year, is it used to go down the back there, and it was all down there. Maybe it still is, and I just haven't got there yet. I can hear music, so it probably is. Oh, yeah? Yeah, it is. It does too. So it's quite big. Quite a lot to see and do. So it wasn't like this on the street last year. It seems to have doubled in size. Hey, that's good for me, good for you, good for the vlog.
We're not going to get any sauce.
We're not even going to use it.
Okay, we'll go and slip down the back, check out the band, and see how much copyright I can get away with keeping. So we sort of slip down here, bottom part down the bottom here, bottom part down the bottom. It makes sense, doesn't it? It's where the band is, it's where the food is mainly, it's where the drunkards are. Goes along the wharf, it's pretty pretty. A weekend day, band set up. Quick one, if you are enjoying this and you would like to support me or the channel, please check out the link in the description below to my Buy Me a Coffee page. You can donate there if you wish. That would be fantastic. Thank you very much, and back to the video. Food, cheese plates. Yeah, no, not yet. So what do you reckon so far, guys? Does it sound pretty good? Chemist, what does that mean? Some of these types of food I see at these types of things, I never know how to pronounce it. The people who know how to pronounce it probably laugh at me because I don't know how do you say it. I've got no idea. Honey chicken, that sounds nice. So we missed out a whole side, so we'll go and check that out, and hopefully I didn't get copyrighted. With loud music, these microphones, they're really sensitive, so they tend to distort everything. And that hot rod show I was at last week, I had to cut a lot of that out because it was just really bad. And it was just boom, boom, it just sounded really bad. So hopefully the microphones aren't picking up too much distortion. And there is so much here to see and do. It's literally almost, I'd say, tripled in size. Croc charm. Now, if I was a child, I could get into these croc charms because, I'm not wearing them today, but normally I'm wearing my Crocs. They didn't go as I planned. Pens of all kinds, if you're into that sort of thing. See, I love stuff like this, where people have used their own ingenuity and their brain just to sort of put stuff together and sell it. Just, you know, grabbing stuff off the earth and all that sort of thing. I love the local mum and pop type shops. I'll always support local where I can. I don't like the big conglomerate chains. All for local, support local. We're feeding the bees. Awesome. So what we did, to give you a visual bearing, we started off on that side and walked up. We walked all the way up, down around the corner here, and now we basically come up and we are here, coming up this way or down this way. You've also got all the little shops that are always here during the week anyway, the businesses and that sort of thing along the footpath, making the most of it all. They're following me. They're following me. Very cool. They must be really hot though. It's really humid at the moment. And they're wearing non-breathable clothing. They'll be sweating. Of course, we've got the local oranges up here. Kowhai barn. Hemp gummies with 5 HTP. Tempting. Tempting. But your lucky socks. Bouquets and flowers. Tadet and singing bowls. I'll stay well away from them.
Oh my god, there's a cup right there.
out. Right, that's us guys. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out the link in the description below. Also check out my other channels if you like. I have a silent walking channel and a slow motion channel. The slow motion channel has no subscribers yet. I've only uploaded 2 videos. Yeah, slowly but surely. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later.